So welcome, what's up guys, I am Ariovid and in this tutorial I will show you how to create server on Discord. I will show you step by step how to do it, so you may leave like and subscribe, share to others, write a comment and let's go. So first what you need to do is log in on your account on Discord, and now you must click on this plus. Here you have plus, you here have option like add a server. As you can see, you here have a few options. You may start from a template for gaming, short group, study group, friends, artists, creator, local community, or create my own. I click on create my own, and now you may set on for a club or community, or for me and my friend. Sure, you can skip this option. Okay, I set for club community. Now you may add server's name, you may add a picture and create. Okay, and as you can see we did it. You can here add channels, voice channels, you may invite your friends, send your first message. Yep, and that's all I wanted to show you. So thanks for watching, you may leave like and subscribe. Bye bye. See you next time.